Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the things what you should clean and how often in the Philips coffee maker LatteGo. So the first one, the milk container, you have to clean it after each use for the milk coffee. The next one, the drip tray, the coffee container, and this element. You have to clean one per month, but remember to not put this one to the dishwasher. The rest of it, like a coffee container, the drip tray, you can clean in the dishwasher. The next important thing what you have to clean, it's a water tank, and clean it one per month. And the next one, the more complicated, it's a brewing unit. You have to clean it one per month. To find it, you have to open the water tank. And inside we have the brewing unit. You have to open it, push this element to remove it. And as you can see, there is our brewing unit. You can clean it under the water one per month. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.